FHA will soon be offering new, much cheaper mortgage insurance premiums, and this is going to be a huge gift to millions and millions of Americans. I've been originating FHA mortgages and doing home loans in Colorado for over 14 years, and I consider this to be FHA's biggest gift ever. Now, what do I mean by that? If you have an FHA mortgage that was endorsed before 31 May of 2009, and when you refinance your current FHA mortgage into a new FHA mortgage on or after the 11th of June with a new FHA case number, you're going to benefit from these much lower mortgage insurance premiums. This is what they are now. This is what it's going to be on the 11th of June and later. Big savings, and I'll show you that in a moment. What most people do not realize, over the last 4 years, FHA has almost tripled their mortgage insurance premiums. And they did that for two reasons. First of all, they had to increase their reserves to the required level. And secondly is they did not want to become, doing all the loans in America. And that's basically what was happening because no one else could get conventional financing. So what's going to happen is on the 11th of June, they're significantly decreasing their mortgage insurance premium. You may be thinking, well, Randy, that's no big deal because interest rates have declined the last 4 years from like 6% to where they are right now at 3 3/4. However, this is nothing further than the truth, because with FHA increasing their mortgage insurance premiums, they have hurt and decreased the buying power for those who are looking at purchase, and they have also prevented millions from refinancing. Because what happened is, even with these historical low interest rates, all those savings were wiped out by the larger mortgage insurance premiums. You'll be able to see the financial difference. Right now, if you refinance your upfront mortgage insurance premium, which is added on top of your loan, on a loan amount of $250,000, your mortgage insurance upfront would be $4,375 versus only $25. That's over $4,300. That you can save. Secondly, your annual monthly mortgage premium would go from $260 to $114.58, a savings of almost $146. Now, when you consider the lower loan amount because of only increasing it by $25 versus this full amount, you would additionally save another $20.15. So in this example, you'd be saving almost $166 a month by waiting till the 11th of June. And then secondly, you'd be saving over $4,300 just with upfront mortgage insurance. Now, this does not include any of the savings from a much lower interest rate. Your actual savings are going to depend upon your loan amount. Of course, the higher the loan amount, the higher your savings. Higher the interest rate, larger your savings is going to be. And of course, the better your credit scores are, the higher they are, you're going to get a better rate. And when you can look at all these things, that equals more savings. Now, I use the latest technology to include video to advise all my clients on the costs and savings over time in an easy to understand manner. And it is very important for you to make an informed decision. For all my clients, I prepare what's called a total cost analysis. And I don't expect you to see the actual numbers here, but the important thing to see is you'll be able to see the different options, you'll be able to see your savings over a period of time, and you'll also be able to see your net worth in like 15 years. It is this type of analysis that you need in order to make an informed decision. To request your personalized total cost analysis video, you can call me, Randy, at 303-521-9550 or email me at rflood101@comcast.net, and in the subject line put help advise me. Now, I am only licensed in Colorado, so I can only help those in Colorado, and I'll do your video. However, I believe it's important, regardless of where you're at, that you get the professional advice that you should. So if you're in a different state, let me know, and I will refer you to someone that has similar credentials as I do. I also constantly monitor the rates, and I just want to bring this up because I want to drive home a point, because back in October 2010, when I was helping all my clients, these were record low rates. Then it happened again and again and again, and here we are now. We're setting new all-time lows. We have seen rates constantly improving for over a year now. And the reason I want to bring that up is it's not going to be that way. Remember, I can remember in the 80s, I camped out at a title company to get special bond money. I didn't get it. It was over 16% at that time. And here we are now, and at 3.75% rate. And with the deficit and with the economy improving and with inflation, rates are going to go up, and it's only a matter of time. I advise all types of individuals, and I am the only certified mortgage coach in the entire state of Colorado, and there's over 5,100 licensed loan originators. I cannot overstress, this is the best time ever to refinance your FHA mortgage, because you have the lowest ever FHA upfront mortgage insurance premium, the lowest FHA mortgage insurance premium in nearly 4 years, the lowest FHA mortgage rates ever, which all translates into the largest savings to you that you'll ever have. So this is a big gift, and you need to be able to take advantage of it. Again, my name is Randy Flood, and I am the only certified mortgage coach in the entire state of Colorado. And you can definitely call me at any time, or you can also email me. Please leave your comments, share this video with others, because it's important that we as Americans save as much as we can. So comment below, share with all your friends, relatives, and as always, only wanting the best for you. Take care.